Imagine a world where unrivaled luxury converges with breakthrough performance, where every line, every curve, and every detail is engineered to transcend the ordinary and elevate your driving experience beyond imagination. The 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan is not just an SUV. It is a masterpiece of automotive art, a statement of power and prestige that defies convention and beckons you to explore the extraordinary. From the moment you set your eyes on its majestic silhouette, you know that this vehicle is crafted for those who demand nothing but the very best in innovation and elegance. At the heart of the Cullinan 2025 lies an engineering marvel that marries cutting-edge technology with timeless craftsmanship. Every element, from the meticulously hand-finished exterior to the exquisitely appointed interior, reflects Rolls-Royce's relentless pursuit of perfection. The robust powertrain delivers a driving experience that is both dynamic and refined, ensuring that every journey is a seamless blend of performance and comfort. This is not just a car. It is a moving testament to what is possible when passion meets precision. As you delve deeper into the Cullinan's design philosophy, you discover a vehicle that redefines luxury with its advanced features and bespoke details. Imagine cruising down an open highway, the landscape unfolding like a living painting as you command a machine that feels as alive as it is sophisticated. Every control is intuitively placed, every surface meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled, tactile experience that invites you to take command and savor every moment. The vehicle's interior is a sanctuary where technology and art converge, featuring state-of-the-art infotainment, ambient lighting, and sumptuous materials that envelop you in sublime comfort. Yet, the Cullinan 2025 is more than an exquisite piece of art on wheels. It is a dynamic loop of innovation and tradition that keeps you engaged at every turn. Whether navigating bustling city streets or embarking on long, scenic journeys, its adaptive suspension and intelligent driving aids ensure that every drive is as exhilarating as it is secure. Each refined detail sparks curiosity, forming an engaging cycle that draws you back time and again to uncover the sophisticated engineering concealed beneath its luxurious exterior. This continuous loop of discovery and refinement transforms every moment behind the wheel into an experience of elevated artistry and performance. The allure of the Cullinan transcends stunning aesthetics and powerful performance. It epitomizes a lifestyle where every journey is an opportunity to experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Rolls-Royce has engineered this masterpiece to be as engaging as it is commanding, inviting you to rediscover the joy of driving with every mile traversed. In an era where innovation harmonizes with heritage, the Cullinan stands as a beacon for connoisseurs of excellence, urging you to pause, reflect, and immerse yourself in its refined elegance. Consider how the Cullinan's design shatters conventional boundaries with sculpted lines and a bold presence that evokes motion even at a standstill. Every seam and contour is a testament to the harmonious fusion of art and science, where luxury is measured not by excess but by the pursuit of perfection. Each drive becomes a narrative, an unfolding story where you are both the author and the protagonist, engaging with a machine that inspires with every responsive detail and graceful maneuver. Behind the wheel of the 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan, tradition meets tomorrow in a seamless dance of innovation and luxury. It challenges norms and invites you to reimagine possibility, transforming everyday driving into an art form. Embrace the journey, feel the passion, and allow this extraordinary vehicle to redefine your understanding of luxury, performance, and innovation. With every meticulously engineered detail, the Cullinan 2025 stands as an enduring icon, a legacy of automotive excellence that inspires dreams, ignites passion, and celebrates the relentless pursuit of perfection. In the realm of high performance, luxury, every element contributes to a symphony of design and engineering brilliance. As you reflect on the dynamic interplay of power and elegance, remember that each moment with the Cullinan is an invitation to experience a new standard of automotive artistry. Luxury redefined through every detail and every moment of exquisite performance. In this moment, luxury and performance unite seamlessly. Luxury redefined through every detail and every moment of exquisite performance. In this moment, luxury and performance unite seamlessly. Luxury redefined through every detail and every moment of exquisite performance. In this moment, luxury and performance unite seamlessly. Luxury redefined through every detail and every moment of exquisite performance. In this moment, luxury and performance unite seamlessly.